Kanye. What's good YouTube, Ash Bash, back again with another video. And this is me waffling on about another topic, and today's subject, as it says, is about Kanye West. I didn't think I was going to do a video about this, but I just figured it kind of made sense. I've seen some posts and some blogs from people saying, that's it, I'm done, my Yeezy collection is going. And I got a Yeezy collection too. So, what do I think? Am I going to get rid of them? Probably not. But to be fair, right now, Yeezy's kind of done with them. Like, he did say at one point he's going to have Yeezys for everyone, and now it kind of seems like that. Everyone's got a pair of Yeezys. Having a pair of Yeezys isn't a big deal. I know when I first got my black and red Yeezys, which still don't fit me, and that's the one pair that I should probably sell because they don't fit me and I've worn them once. I remember I was on the bus and like kids were like, oh my god, look at that, look at that, guys. Like people just like gas to see them because they didn't really see anyone wearing them and stuff. But nowadays, everywhere you go, someone's got a pair of Yeezys. It's not a big deal at all. So even paying resale for them is not a thing. And just the whole Yeezy thing in general has died for me. Like I did a video before on Boost, whether it's dead or not, and it's not dead, but Yeezy Boost to me is almost dead. Like the 350 V2s is the only pair of Yeezys that I've really liked. The first 350s I wasn't that gassed about it. The 750s are cool, but I'd never really wear them. And now he's got these Wave Runners and these Desert Rats and all that. Not really interested. His swag is dead. So I've not really followed Kanye for his swag in a long time anyways. His Yeezy season stuff doesn't do anything for me either. It's been since like the Nike Kanye days where I thought he was a cool guy and had wore cool stuff, but since the Adidas stuff, pretty much been trash and nothing that I'm interested in. So influencer wise, he's not influenced me like that, so falling off on Kanye, not a big deal. When it comes to the music, again, Life of Pablo, like 3 or 4 songs, like max, probably 3 songs max. Yeezus, super duper trash. I think maybe 1 song I didn't mind. I think My Beautiful Dark Twisted Fantasy was the album before that. That's the one that I kind of liked. And 808s before that as well. So music wise, I don't really care. If he's going on all this Trump and all this crazy talk that he's doing at the moment, that TMZ interview was just like, I was sitting back like, what the heck is this guy talking about? Talking about is on these opioids and all that. You can tell there's no shocker at all that he's saying he's been on drugs for a while, because he was already a bit of a head case like from the start, and now it's just gone to next level. So Kanye West is not cancelled, but he never was really something to like care about. Like, it wasn't something that I cared about that much. Like just the Yeezy sneakers here and there is all I cared about. Seeing a couple people, as I said, saying they're going to sell the collection, people selling them for like retail or below to get rid of them. I don't know. There's a couple pairs that I wouldn't mind getting rid of just because, like those black and reds, as I said, they don't wear them anymore. The last pair I bought was the blue tints, which I've not rocked at all. I'm saving that for the summer anyway, so we shall see. My Yeezy collection might go from 4 to 0 to 1, who knows, I don't know. But it would be selling mainly because of me not caring as much anymore, more so than him being a bloody idiot and chatting, in my opinion, shit. But let's not get too political. I'm from London. This stuff doesn't affect me as much as it does people in America. I know that. But anywho, just thought I'd throw in my 2 cents. And yeah, Ash Bash on Instagram, Ash Bash Sneakers on Instagram, Perfection7 on Twitter, and every Monday I upload these videos of me waffling on about the topic. So if this topic's boring or it's been like all over, because every day this week has just been like Kanye this, Kanye that, another story, another story, another story. Guess we've got to wait for the album to see what he's going to be saying, but I don't even want to stream it. Don't want to stream it and give him any money. It's going to piss me off, so might have to bring out LimeWire again and do an illegal download or something. Anywho, Ash Bash signing off. Radio.